the JBL Live 400 BT headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the JBL Live 400 BT on-ear headphones. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and a 3.5mm audio cable. The Live 400 BT features 24 hours of listening time. 15 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Bluetooth 4.2, 40mm drivers, has button and touch controls, micro USB for charging, and an ambient and talk-through feature. The headphones come in 5 color options. This is the blue version. The ear cups do swivel out, and you have the ear indicators marked inside. Their ear cups are soft and covered by PU leather material. Again, these are on-ear design headphones. The headband is lined with a fabric material and it has adequate padding. The JBL branding is also on the top. The lower part of the headband has the Live logo on it. There is also a good amount of travel for the adjustments, and it clicks into place at each level. The band has some good flex to it, and the ear cups also fold in for easier storage. The outer face of the headphones have the JBL branding, and on the left side has the touch controls for activating voice assistant. You will also find the micro USB charge port and the LED light. Taking a look at the right side, you have the power button and the playback controls for music and calls. You also have the 3.5mm input, microphone, Bluetooth pairing button, and the ambient aware button. The headphones come in at roughly 204 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
These are the days that fly by when you're not looking. Don't wanna waste it on all your nights spent alone again. We are different, stuck in a small town, haven't left just yet. Got bigger dreams running through our heads, running through our heads. Oh, we hear the rumbling of the road, a new song playing.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBL Live BT headphones. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JBL Live 400 BT headphones. They had a good fit and I didn't feel like it was too tight. The headband is flexible and the ear cups had adequate padding. I do wish for a little bit more padding on the top of the headband, but other than that, the fit was pretty good. Build and quality is solid. They don't feel flimsy, very lightweight and portable. The button controls are easy to navigate once you know the placement, and the touch controls for voice assistant was responsive. Battery life is good, coming in at 24 hours. I like the fact that there's an assortment of color options as well. When it comes to sound, these have the JBL sound signature written all over it. You get that deep punchy bass. Definitely falls on the warm side. Mids and highs come in clear, but wish it was a bit more forward. Depending on the music you listen to, the bass can overpower it. Volume levels get high as well. The ambient feature worked well, and when activated, it picked up the surrounding noises loud and clear. The talk through feature allows you to have a conversation, and it will lower the current volume levels when listening to music, so you won't have to remove the headphones. Overall, I feel that the headphones can put out some bass if you're looking for a warm sound signature. It has a nice overall design and it's easy to carry around. So that is my review of the JBL Live 400 BT headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.